Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to cancel Interac e-transfer on RBC. In order to do this procedure, first of all, go ahead and log in into your online banking account. Then you need to click on Move Money tab from the bottom right hand side corner. It's going to take you to this page where you need to go ahead and select Send an Interac e-transfer. Next, you'll be taken to this page where you need to go ahead and select the history tab from the top right, and accordingly you'll be able to see your history or the transaction that you've made throughout the year, and select the particular transaction that you wish to cancel. So select the transfer you wish to cancel, and accordingly you need to scroll down to the bottom and then tap the cancel button. Now you have to give a valid reason why you're doing this and all that, and if the transaction is still pending, only then you can cancel your Interac e-transfer. Otherwise you have to contact the receiver who has actually received, and then you have to tell him or her that you need to cancel a transaction. Only then you can do this procedure. So that's how you can cancel e-transfer in RBC mobile app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.